Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 10 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 10 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter system of linear equations. And the lessons we're going to cover today are classify a system of equations and solve a system of equations using substitution. So let's just start with the chapter system of linear equations. So here I'm on grade 10 maths. The chapter name is system of linear equations and the lesson I'm going to start with is classify a system of equations. So let's just start with the example. Uh, First examples which describe the systems of equations below. So y equals 7x minus 8 and y equals 7x plus 1 over 8. So you have to classify the system of equation on the basis of their slope and the y-intercept. Basically the first equation is y equals 7x minus 5 over 8. Y equals 7x minus 5 over 8. And the second one is y equals 7x plus 1 over 8. So just compare this equation with the general form of the equation, that is y equals mx plus b. So here is the slope for equation number 1, m is 5 and the y-intercept is minus 5 over 8. Got it? Then for the second equation, m equals 7 and the slope and the y-intercept is 1 over 8. This is y-intercept, b is y-intercept. Got it? So now you can classify the equations on the basis of slope and the point and the y-intercept. So in this case, the slope is different. Got it? Slope is same. Here you have 7x, sorry. So the slope for both the equations are same. Here you have 7, here you have 7. But their y-intercepts are different. Here you have negative 5 by 8 and here you have 1 over 8. So when you have the case like the slopes are the same, but the y-intercepts are different, that means the lines are parallel and they never intersect. That means the system is inconsistent. Got it? So if you have a case that their slopes are same but their y-intercept is different, that means the two lines are parallel and parallel lines never intersect each other. So that means the system is inconsistent. Got it? So these are uh, you can classify the equations like this. A system of two equations can be classified as follow. If the slopes are same but the y-intercepts are different, the system is inconsistent. Got it? If the slopes are different but if the slopes are the system is consistent and independent. Got it? If the slopes are same and the y-intercept are same, that means the system is consistent and dependent. Got it? So let's just look at the other example. You have y equals 5x plus 1 over 3, y and y equals 5 over 6x plus 7 over 4. So for both the equations, the slope is different and the y-intercept is also different. Got it? That means they intersect, the lines intersect at one point and the system is consistent and independent. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, y equals 9x minus 9 and y equals 3x. Oh, wait, let me just write it down on board. 3 over 4x minus 5 over 8. Okay, just look at both the lines. For the first equation, the slope is 9 and the y-intercept b equals negative 9. For the second equation, the slope is m equals 3 over 4 and the y-intercept is y equals negative 5 over 4. Got it? So for both the equations, the slope is different and the y-intercept is also different. So when the slope is different and the y-intercept is different, that means the system is, I forgot, let me check. Wait, I forgot actually. So if the slope is different, that means the system is consistent and dependent. Got it? Slope is different and y-intercept is also different. So that means the system is consistent and independent. They intersect at one point. Got it? In this case. So it is system is consistent and independent. Got it? Because both of these slopes and y-intercept don't both are different. It means the system is consistent and independent. Got it? Okay, the next one is y equals negative 5x plus 1 and y equals negative 5 over 6x plus 6 by 5. So again, for both the equations, the slope is different and the y-intercept is also different, isn't it? That means the system is consistent and independent. Got it? So it would be consistent and independent. Okay, the next one is y equals 5x minus 2 and y equals 5x minus 2. Both the lines are exactly same. Got it? In the case the lines are exactly same, that means the system is consistent and dependent because they are exactly same. So they are consistent and dependent. Got it? Okay, the next one is y equals 5 by 8x minus 10 and y equals 5 by 8x minus 2 by 3. So in this case, the slopes are same, but the y-intercept is different. So when the slopes are same, that means both the lines are parallel. They never intersect each other and the system is inconsistent. Got it? So it is inconsistent. Got it? Okay, the next one is y equals 3 by 5x plus minus 3 over 4 and y equals 6 by 5x plus 9 over 10. So both the equations have different slopes and different y-intercepts. Got it? So when the slopes are different and the y-intercept is different, that means the system is consistent and independent. Got it? It is consistent and independent. Okay, which describes the system of equations below y equals 3x plus 6 and y equals 3x plus 10 over 9. So both the equations have same slope. Got it? Slope is 3 for both the equations. They are exactly same. So when the slope is same and y-intercept is different, that means the system is consistent and dependent. Got it? Because it is same, so it is consistent and dependent. Got it? Oh, sorry. When the slopes are exactly same, that means the lines are parallel. They never intersect each other and the system is inconsistent. Got it? The system is inconsistent. Okay, y equals 5x plus 1 over 3 and y equals 5 by 6x plus 7 over 4. So both the equations have different slope and different y-intercept. Got it? So in this case, when both the equation have different slope and different y-intercept, that means the system is consistent and independent. Got it? Because everything is different, so they are consistent and independent. That means the lines intersect just one point. Got it? Okay, the next one is y equals 8x plus 1 over 10 and y equals 8x plus 9 over 4. So both the lines have same slope. Got it? When the slope is same, that means the system is inconsistent. Got it? Y equals 10 over 7x minus 3 and y equals 10 over 7x plus 9 over 5. So both the equations have same slope. Got it? When the slope is same, the system is inconsistent. Got it? That means the lines are parallel. They never intersect each other. So it would be inconsistent. Got it? Okay, the next one is y equals 8 over 8x plus 7 and y equals 1 by 5x plus 1 over 6. So both the equations have different slopes. That means the system is consistent and dependent. Different slope and different y-intercept. So it is system consistent and independent. Got it? Because both the things are different. Okay, the next one is y equals negative 7 over 4x plus 2 and y equals negative 7 over 4x negative 10 over 7. So both the equations have same slope. Got it? So in the case the slope is same, the system is inconsistent. Got it? Y equals negative x minus 3 and y equals negative x plus 9 over 10. So both the equations have exactly same slope. So the slope is same. That means the system is inconsistent. Got it? Okay, y equals 7x plus 8 over 5 and y equals 7x minus 7 over 8. So both the equations have exactly same slope. Got it? So when the slope is same, that means the system is inconsistent. Got it? Y equals negative 7 over 4x plus 2 and y equals negative 7 over 4x minus 10 over 7. So both the equations have same slope. Got it? So when the slopes are same, the system is inconsistent. Got it? Y equals negative 3 over 4x plus 1 over 4 and y equals 8 over 3x minus 8 over 9. So both the equations have different slope. That means the system is consistent and independent. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is solve a system of equation using substitution. So the first equation is, let's start with the example that is y equals 5. And the second equation is 6x minus 5y equals 5. Got it? So here the variable y is already isolated. Got it? Just put the value in the second equation. Got it? Replace the y with the value. It would be 6x minus 5. Y is 5 equals 5. Got it? It is 6x minus 5 times 5 is 25 equals 5. Got it? Move 25 to the other side. It would be then added. So it is 6x equals 5 plus 25. So 6x equals 30. Got it? Divide both sides by 6. So it would be x equals 5. Got it? So x equals 5. So the solution of the system is x equals 5 and y equals 5. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. 5x plus 4y equals negative 3. And y equals negative 2. So y equals negative 2 is already isolated. Just put the value in the equation. So it would be 5x plus 4 times negative 2 equals negative 3. So it is then 5x 4 times 2 is negative 8 equals negative 3. Move negative 8 to the other side. It would be 5x equals 3 plus 8 and 8 plus 3 is 11. So it would be 5x equals negative 3 it is. 8 minus 3 is 5. Divide both sides by 5. So it is x equals 1. Got it? So the solution is x equals 1 and y equals negative 2. Got it? Okay, the next one is y equals 3, negative 3x plus 4y equals negative 3. So just this variable is already isolated. So just substitute y equals 3 in this equation. So it would be negative 3x. 4 times 3 equals negative 3. Got it? So it is negative 3x. 4 times 3 is 12 equals negative 3. Got it? It would be negative 3x equals negative 3 minus 12. So negative 3x equals negative 15. Divide both sides by negative 3. So it would be then x equals negative 3 and negative 3 cancel out and x equals 3 times 5 is 15. So the solution is x equals 5 and y equals 3. The solution is 5 and 3. Got it? The second option is the correct one. Okay, the next one is 7x minus 7y equals 7. And the second equation is x equals negative 8. So x equals negative 8 is already isolated. Just substitute the value in the equation. 7 times negative 8 minus 7y equals 7. 7 times 8 is 56. Move 56 to the other side, it would be then added. And 7 plus 56 is 73. Wait. 63, sorry, not 73. Negative 7y equals 63. Divide both sides by negative 7. It would be y equals negative 9. Got it? So the solution is x equals negative 8 and y equals negative 9. Got it? Negative 8, negative 9 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 2x minus y equals negative 6. And the second equation is x equals negative 2. So the way x equals negative 2 is already isolated. Just substitute the value in the equation. It would be 2 times negative 2 minus y equals negative 6. So 2 times 2 is negative 4 minus y equals negative 6. Move negative 4 to the other side, it would be then added. Negative y equals negative 2, so it would be y equals 2. So the solution is x equals negative 2 and y equals 2. Got it? Okay, the next one is y equals 2. And x plus 7y equals 19. So just put y equals 2 in the equation. This is already isolated. It would be x plus 7 times 2 equals 19. X plus 14 equals 19. Move 14 other side. It would be 19 minus 14. Got it? So 19 minus 14 is 5. So that means the solution is 5 and 2. Got it? X is 5 and y is 2. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we are working on grade 10 maths. Chapter we're working on is systems of linear equations. And the lessons we have covered today are classify a system of equations and solve a system of equations using substitution. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.